Okay, we have 30x squared positive 18x, and we got negative 63x positive 45x squared. So we would do two problems. We want you to do the other two. Now between 30 and 18, the only quantity that can divide 30 and 18 would be 6. I see a presence of an x squared and the presence of an x, so I'm going to take x. So if somebody happens to tell me write 30x squared positive 18x as a product of two terms, then the first and foremost thing I should be doing is to place the common factor for 30x squared and positive 18x. So the common factor is 6x, that is to say 6x is the only quantity that would be in a position to divide the first quantity, that is 30x squared, and the second quantity 18x. So the moment I place 6x, I need to choose that particular quantity which when placed here and multiplied with 6x would give me 30x squared. So that would be positive 5x, because 5x times 6x would give me 30x, and x multiplied would give me x squared. The sign between the terms is positive, so I retain the positive. Then I need to pick out that particular quantity that has to be placed here, so that that number multiplied with 6x would give me 18x. Clearly it's going to be 3, and I have 45x squared. So between negative 63 and 45, the quantity that can divide both these numbers, negative 63 and 45, would be 9, because 9 times 7 gives me 63. Similarly 9 times 5 gives me 45. I see a presence of an x here and an x squared here, so I will be picking out just one x. Okay, so this would be 9x. I pick out 9x, so the quantity that has to be placed here would be 7. Since the sign is negative, so it would be negative 7 there. So negative 7 times 9x would give me negative 63x. The sign that I see here is positive. I retain it as it is. Then the number which I need to place here should be 5x, because 5x times 9x gives me 45x squared. Now having said that, this particular solution, right, you can write the solution as 9x multiplied with 5x negative 7. That's an absolute solution. In case you want it the other way, that is instead of instead of it being a positive 9x, you wanted to have a negative 9x, still it's no problem. The moment you place a negative 9x, you have to change the signs of positive 5x, that would become negative 5x, and negative 7, that would become positive 7. Hence the new solution would be negative 9x times 7 negative 5x. Okay, so depending upon the requirement, this could be a solution. Okay, this could be a solution, this could be a solution, this could be a solution. Okay, so these are all the different deductions that you need to know.